Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to get the water out of your iPhone. So, at first I do recommend to turn off your iPhone immediately after getting wet. So at first let's turn off our phone and do not try to charge it. Then I do recommend to remove the accessories. So take off the case, remove the SIM card using a SIM card opener. Here you have to plug it and put it, and now you can remove your SIM card tray. Now you can remove the SIM card and place it here. And now the water should be here, so you have to just wait a moment now. And now you have to dry the exterior. Use a soft lint-free cloth to wipe water off the surface. So here, as you can see, we have the microfiber cloth, and we can now clean our iPhone. And now we can shake our phone to remove water from the water ports. And if this doesn't help us and the water is still in here, we have to take some other thing to remove the water from here. And what I recommend is to have this, like here, Timo cleaner. So now let's take out, for example, something to clean. For example, let's take this brush over here, and using this brush we can clean our ports. So let's, for example, put the water in here, put our brush here and brush it gently so that water won't be here, like that, for example, and like that here in the SIM card. If you have some older phone, do this with the jack port, etc., and place your phone back again. Place your iPhone in the dry ventilated area, and don't put your iPhone in the rice. I do recommend not putting this in the rice. Then let it dry for example 24 to 48 seconds before turning your device back on. And now, if you want to make sure that the water isn't here after turning on your device, you can use some water ejectors sounds from the speakers. So let's wait a moment, I will show you this in a moment. Now, as you can see, it's turned on, and we can unlock it. Now we can enter, for example, YouTube or something like that, and search for the water eject music, or maybe not music, water eject sound. As you can see, I don't have YouTube, so we have to enter the App Store or Safari. And here we can search for the water ejection, water iPhone eject. Here we can now, for example, play this. As you can see, this is an advertisement. Let's skip that, and let's play it on the full volume level. It should work for you. Do this for example 1 minute or 2, and it should be working. And that's how it works. Goodbye.